If you take a bus to Saigon, you'll probably arrive here. This is right in the centre of town, close to Bui Vien Street. On the corner there is Highlands Coffee, and this is the view from inside. If you're waiting for a bus, you can sit here, or you can just sit here and watch the people go by. It's quite an interesting view. They have air conditioning and nice coffee and cakes. You can also get sandwiches. On the left you can see the bus company office. There are a few different bus companies. This one's called Pham Ngu Express. This guy here is selling sandwiches, Vietnamese style. This bus company has a strange name, Han Cafe Open Tour. Look very new and very comfortable. Seem to be some kind of sleeper bus, leaving every hour to Mui Ne. See, the bus office also sells SIM cards. They also change money, so this might be a useful place to know. So now I'm going to have a look for an Indian restaurant that I heard about. It's called Taj Mahal. Now to find it you have to go down this little lane here. And there it is on the right. Let's take a look at the menu. Just opposite there's a laundry.